Greetings, fellow seekers of spiritual enlightenment. Today, we embark on a transformative journey, delving into the mystic realm where our living spaces intertwine with ancient practices and cosmic energies. Brace yourselves, for the secrets we uncover will not only change the energy in your home, but also reshape the very fabric of your reality. Remove these 8 objects and watch as the universe responds with a symphony of positive vibrations. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss the profound wisdom. Hello, beautiful souls. I'm your guide to the ethereal tapestry that connects us to the universe. Have you ever sensed an unspoken dialogue between your surroundings and your inner being? Today, we embark on a journey that transcends the mundane, exploring the symbiotic relationship between our living spaces and the ancient wisdom that has withstood the test of time. Our homes, our sanctuaries, are not just collections of walls and furniture. They are energy conduits, constantly influencing and being influenced by the vibrations around us. Drawing inspiration from the Emerald Tablet's words and the profound principle, as above, so below, as within, so without, we unravel the secrets of transformation. This principle teaches us that altering our external environment can profoundly impact our internal state, and vice versa, creating a reciprocal dance between the tangible and the ethereal. Picture this. You walk into a room and the energy feels heavy, stagnant. It's as if the very air is laden with unspoken stories and energies of the past. Deepak Chopra, a luminary in the world of holistic living, has extensively spoken about how our living spaces impact us on subtle energetic levels. Ancient Eastern wisdom traditions, like Feng Shui, have identified specific objects that can either enhance or block the healthy flow of energy. Today, we uncover the profound truths hidden in the wisdom of these practices. The removal of just 8 objects from your living space can be akin to pulling back heavy drapes, allowing the sunlight of positive energy to stream through. It's an energy cleanse for your home, a recalibration of the energies that surround you. Join me as we journey through the principles that guide us towards a more vibrant, harmonious existence. Calendars. Calendars, seemingly innocent tools for organization, can inadvertently become anchors to the past, subtly sapping your energy and motivation. As you habitually check off days that have already unfolded and appointments that are now history, you find yourself energetically tethered to what was. By liberating your living space from the dominance of calendars, you free up mental real estate. This newfound mental freedom enables you to direct your focus to the present, fostering an environment where creativity and potentiality can flourish. Imagine your mind as a canvas unburdened by the weight of expired moments, now ready to paint the vibrant strokes of the present and the limitless possibilities of the future. Distressing artwork. The images we surround ourselves with are not merely decorative. They imprint on our subconscious, shaping our emotional landscape. Artwork depicting disasters, storms, or distressing scenes may seem harmless aesthetically, but energetically, it casts a shadow on our mental well-being. Constant exposure creates a chronic state of distress, a background hum of negativity that can cloud our thoughts and emotions. The remedy lies in curating your surroundings with intention. Choose artwork that becomes a symphony of positivity, uplifting your spirit and creating a harmonious environment. Your home, your sanctuary, should echo with the melodies of joy, serenity, and inspiration. Photos of deceased loved ones. While the desire to honor and remember loved ones is natural, prominently displaying their photos may inadvertently anchor you in the past. Each glance at these images becomes a journey into nostalgia, reliving moments and emotions that have already passed. Limiting the presence of these photos in your daily living spaces allows your energy to flow freely, unencumbered by the weight of past emotions. Instead, reserve moments of reflection for specific times, keeping your present and future unburdened by the energetic pull of yesteryears. Thorny plants. Plants, often symbols of vitality and growth, can unintentionally introduce hostile energy when adorned with thorns. Thorns, representing attack and hostility, send subconscious signals to your nervous system, keeping your body in a perpetual state of stress. Imagine replacing these prickly defenders with lush greenery, the embodiment of growth and life. The shift in energy is palpable, transforming fear into excitement, inviting abundance and vitality to take root. Your living space becomes a haven of positive energy, fostering not only the growth of plants, but also the flourishing of your own well-being. Black front door. The front door, the gateway to your home, holds symbolic significance as the portal through which opportunities and blessings enter. Painting it black, while classic in appearance, subconsciously introduces a funeral-like vibe. Black, associated with darkness and finality, unconsciously signals closure to the flow of vital energy and opportunities. Repainting it with warm, uplifting colors like red, orange, or yellow transforms this entry point into a welcoming beacon. Imagine stepping through a vibrant doorway, embracing each sunrise as a chance for renewed blessings, and dispelling any lingering shadows that may have inhibited your prosperity. Broken clocks. Clocks, with their relentless ticking, symbolize the passage of time and the flow of energy in our lives. Inactive clocks, frozen at specific times, metaphorically indicate halted energy and progression. Living in a space surrounded by these symbols of stagnancy can cultivate feelings of confusion and a lack of direction. Repairing or removing broken clocks becomes an act of restoration, not just for timekeeping but for the coherence of energy flow. As you synchronize your living space with functioning timepieces or rely on alternative methods to track time, the dense fog of stagnancy lifts. Clarity returns, sharpening your focus, enhancing time management, and propelling you towards your goals. Clutter. Clutter, in all its forms, acts as a dam, blocking the healthy flow of energy within your living space. Whether visible or tucked away, clutter becomes a physical manifestation of a scarcity mindset. The subconscious message it sends is one of insufficiency, urging you to hoard resources. Regularly clearing out unused items becomes an act of liberation, opening channels for universal abundance to flow freely. As you create space for energy to circulate unimpeded, you align your surroundings with the principles of order and prosperity. Watch as the ebb and flow of abundance become a harmonious dance, unrestricted by the dams of clutter. Unused items accumulated. Piles of neglected items tucked away in corners, closets, or the garage create pockets of stagnant energy and chaos within your living space. On an energetic level, this disorganization represents static energy that cannot circulate freely. As you navigate through the disorder, mental clarity becomes obscured, and the subconscious reinforcement of scarcity intensifies. Clearing out these neglected items is an act of liberation and renewal. Donate, give, sell, or recycle items that no longer serve a purpose in your life. By doing so, you not only free up physical space, but also release the mental and energetic constraints that have been hindering your flow. Witness how this simple act unlocks a cascade of positive changes, inviting in fresh inspiration and opportunities. There you have it, folks. The key to transforming your reality is in your hands. Remove these 8 objects from your home, and you'll witness a profound shift in your energy, mood, and opportunities. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more spiritual insights, and share this video with fellow seekers on their journey. Until next time, embrace the positive changes that await you. Remember, as within, so without. Let the energy flow, and may your reality be filled with abundance and joy. Take care.